challenge. I woke up so early.
Hello, today is a Sunday and I have a lot of things to do based on the to-do list that I made like yesterday ata. And the first agenda is to attend the 10 a.m. mass here in UST and it's currently 9:33 and I have to hurry up kasi maglalakad pa ako and nahanap ako ng upuan kaya kailangan ko ng bilisan. And next, after I attend the 10 a.m. mass, I'm going to San Lazaro since I have to buy groceries and meal prep for this week. And after ko magpunta ng San Lazaro, I have to go home and to study because I have three major quizzes this week. Lahat sila sa Tuesday kaya kailangan kong mag-aral in advance para hindi ako mahirapan tomorrow. And ano pa ba? And then, around 5 to 7 p.m., I have a pickleball agenda. Pickleball with my high school friends. So, mag-pickleball kami 5 to 7. And then, ayun, kaya ang dami kong gagawin today. Ang dami kong naka-line up na agenda. TikTok shop. Shopee. Uniqlo. Walang payong boy.
Tsaka yung itlog na dapat dito wala masyado. Yun, puro sira.
Hello, so I am back sa dorm and I'm gonna show you a grocery haul. So for the frozen goods, I have parang bata, chicken nuggets, tapos hash brown kasi pag breakfast, masarap chicken nuggets.
For the vegetables, nabili ko na yung sitaw na gagamitin ko para sa ginisang sitaw sa bagoong. Hindi ko alam if alam niyo yun, pero like kinrave ko siya kagabi. Tapos meron pa naman akong bagoong dyan. Sabi ko gagawin ko siya tomorrow with sitaw. Kaya bumili ako sitaw, which is 18 pesos lang. Canned goods. Bumili ako ng dalawang corned beef and tuna. Kasi yung tuna ginagamit ko siya pag gumagawa ko ng tuna pasta. And yung corned beef, wala. Favorite ko talaga Pure Foods. I love Pure Foods, guys. And then, next is pasta para sa tuna pasta if naisipan kong gumawa. And then, bumili ako ng Chobani Flip. Kasi may nakita ko sa Sanla. Tapos sabi ko, first time ko makakita ng Chobani Flip sa Sanla. Kasi kahit sa Esther, hindi ko siya nakikita masyado kasi parang lagi ata siyang sold out. So, ito try ko siya. Ang binili ko is yung strawberry.